In this video, we'll be looking at algebraic processes, and the focus will be on substitution. It's a continuation of our revision series for WAEC students. And as usual, I'm using New General Mathematics SS3, the revision part of that textbook, open towards the middle of the textbook. There is a revision part, and that revision is arranged according to WAEC syllabus. So that is what I'm using in this tutorial. The first question here says, find the value of 3 bracket x plus y if x is equal to -2 and y is equal to 7. So if I have 3 bracket x plus y, then x is -2 and y is 7. Remember that the topic is substitution. What does it mean to substitute? That is to replace one thing with another thing. So we are going to replace x with the value of x given to us. We also replace y with the value of y given to us, so that this becomes 3 times -2 plus 7. -2 because x is -2 and 7 because y is 7. And that will give me 3 times -2 plus 7 is 5. So 3 times 5 is 15. The second question says evaluate ut minus half ft squared. When t is 5, u is -20 and f is 10. So ut minus half ft squared. U is -20, so that will be -20 times t is 5 minus half times f is 10 and times t is 5 squared, which is -20 times 5 is 100, and minus, let's reduce this, 2 here is 5, so 5 times 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25, that will be -100, 5 times 25 is 125, -100, -125, that is -225. Example 26, we have to evaluate, ab squared minus c squared all over 2bc plus a squared over 2b plus c. And a is 2, b is -3, c is -2. So substituting the values into this expression, we will have a, which is 2, then multiplied by b. B is -3, -3 squared, minus c is -2, -2 squared, all over 2 times b is -3 and c is -2, and plus a is 2 squared over 2 times -3 times b plus c, which is -2. That will be -3 squared is 9, that is -3 times -3. Negative times negative is positive. 3 times 3 is 9. And 9 times 2 is 18. Then -2 squared is 4. Minus 4 over -3 times -2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. And plus 2 squared is 4 over 2 times -3 is -6. Then plus times minus is minus. 18 minus 4 is 14 over 12 plus 4 minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 is -8. So I have 14 over 12 plus times minus is minus over 8. So 4 over 8. Let's reduce this fraction, each of these fractions. 2 here 7, 2 here 6, 4 here 1, 4 here 2. So I have 7 over 6 minus 1 over 2. LCM of 6 and 2 is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. And 7 minus 3 is 4. I have 4 over 6. Then reducing this fraction, 2 here 2, 2 here 3. So my final answer is 2 over 3. So we have some wire questions here. The question says, given that x is equal to negative half and y is equal to 4, evaluate 3x squared y plus xy squared. 3x squared y plus xy squared will be 3 times, what is x? X is negative half squared, and times y is 4, and plus x again, negative half times y squared, y is 4, 4 squared. That will be 3 times negative half squared. Negative 1 squared is 1, and negative 2 squared is 4. And multiply by 4 plus 4 squared is 16. So I have negative half times 16. Which is, this 4 will cancel out. I have 3 plus this 2 here 1, 2 here 8. Negative 8 minus 1 times 8 is 8, which is 3 plus times minus is minus. 3 minus 8 is negative 5. The second question says, evaluate ax squared plus bx plus c over mx plus c. Given that a is 2, I have 2, s is negative 3, negative 3 squared, because of the square there, plus bx, b is negative 2, and x is negative 3, and plus c, c is 4, all over m is negative 1, mx, x is negative 3, plus c is negative 5, c is 4. Okay? Negative 3 squared, that is negative 3 times negative 3, which is 9. 9 times 2, 18. And negative 2 times negative 3 is 6. And plus 4 all over negative 1 times negative 3 is 3. And plus 4, which is 18 plus 10, that is 28 over 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4.